Welcome to the in front of me ZTE Axon 30, and I'll show you how to enable or disable NFC on that device. So first, let's open the settings app and then click here to connected devices. After that, you'll see here the NFC switcher, and just to activate NFC, you should click here once on the switcher. To turn it off, you should click on the switcher once again. If you want to change contactless payment, you should click here and tap to payment default and switch it if you have here another application. And that's it. Also, we can use NFC just from the notification panel shortcuts. To do that, open it first, and after that, somewhere here you should find NFC icon. In my case, it's here. So just to activate NFC, click on the icon, and to turn it off, click on the icon once again. And if you want to launch NFC settings, hold for a while this icon, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.